Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm wearing a blazer today and a dress. Hello. I think it's my first time na mag-dress. Lagi ako naka-skirt, but OA lang tong dito. Meron siyang phone. Yeah, sige. He wants to film my outfit. I'm not done yet. Well, my hair. I need to do my hair. What did you do? Did you film my outfit? Oh, look at this. Be your own kind of beautiful, did it say? So this is the necklace. This is from Ka, thank you. And the dress. And this is from, I think, I forgot. My watch is from the Peach box. It's the brand Mark Bale. I actually got this yesterday. And you guys, I have more. Wait, let me show you. This strap came in this packaging. So it's a different strap. The original strap that came with the watch is in here. The strap is so easy to replace, you guys. You do not need like tools. So this is the original strap. That. But then I'm using the extra strap that came with it. There. So pretty. It's rose gold. And the packaging is so nice as well. And then I received a floating crystal bangle as well in rose gold. I figured the watch is rose gold, so might as well get a rose gold bracelet. So again, it's from the Peach box. When you open it, looks like that. So it comes with this cute little bag right here, where you can put your jewelry if you travel. And then the bracelet is this one. So it's rose gold and meron siyang gem dyan sa gitna. And it looks like that. I actually can wear it with my watch right there. It's so pretty. I like it. I actually have a discount for you guys. I think it's 15% off. I will leave that in here and I will leave the information below as well. If you guys are interested, it's available here in Australia. So yes, the packaging is so nice. Like,
is it available in the Philippines?
No, it's not available in the Philippines.
Just Australia already?
Just Australia, yeah. So meron siyang sariling box and then meron pa siyang sleeve like this. And then same with the big one. So cool. Just drinking my coffee and then yung baon namin na dan, it's ready na. This is mine. I cooked nilaga last night, guys. I cooked pork nilaga. It was my first time cooking nilaga. And you like it, babe, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Ito yung kay Dan. First time niya magbaon ng niluto ko sa work. Not really first. Yeah, first time niya. Kasi ayaw niya na magbaon ng leftover. Pero nilaga is really good. Like, nilaga, tinola, they're good the next day. Adobo, yung mga ganun. Pero, yeah, babaunin niya to sa work. And then, smoothie is back! So then, ininom niya yung smoothie niya. You don't want to bring smoothie at work?
I can't. My container leaks.
Oh yeah. Yung tumbler niya, nagli-leak na naman. Wala na siyang tumbler. Yun pala, babe. That's what I was thinking yesterday when I went to Kmart.
That's alright.
Nagpunta ako ng Kmart. Sabi ko, may kailangan si Dan eh. Binilhan ko siya ng socks. Kasi, ewan ko ba sa kanya. Dapat iba yung socks sa work. Dapat iba yung socks sa pagtakbo niya. So, binilhan ko siya ng socks pang takbo kahapon. Kasi nagpunta ako ng Kmart while he went to his friend's house for a bit. So, nagpunta siya sa bahay ng friend niya. Tapos, nagpunta ako ng Kmart. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Actually, medyo marami akong nabili sa Kmart. Kasi, nag-sale sila. And yung Kmart na malapit sa amin, hindi sila like, kapag clearance, hindi nila nilalagay sa rack nila yung clearance. Kailangan mo talaga tingnan yung mga tag. Hindi ko yun alam. Kaya nga naisip ko noon, nakala ko walang sale dun sa Kmart na malapit sa amin. Kasi yung Kmart sa city, meron talaga nakalagay sa rack clearance or like $2, like something like that. Yung dito malapit sa amin, wala. And tinik yung mga tag kasi nga, wala, hinihintay ko sila. Wala akong magawa. Guys, tag $2 lang. May mga shirts, may mga yung socks, hindi siya $2. Binilhan ko sila nito. Socks pang takbo. And then, ito, yung pinunta ko talaga sa Kmart. Sayang lang kasi walang ibang color. Natural lang yung color niya. And mas gusto ko sana mas darker dito kasi hindi naman ganyan kaputi yung paa ko. But that's alright. And then I got heaps of clothes para sa mga kapatid ko. Ipapakita ko yan sa inyo maybe sa next haul. But it's right there. Anyways, tag $2 lang siya. Ang saya kapag nag-sale dito. As in, sobra. Especially kapag they're getting rid of the style. Kasi parang merong paparating na bago. Sinisale nila yan. Kapag meron pa rin natira, hindi pa rin na, hanggang sa tag $2 na lang. Yun nga, yung mga nabili ko tag $2 lang. Kasi yung shorts nila, extra small yung size. And yun yung size ni Mark at saka ni Marwin. So, perfect, diba? Hindi ko plenano na mag-shopping last night, pero kapag shopping ako ng bongga, pagdating na Dan, nandun na ako sa checkout, sa self-checkout. Ngarag na ngarag kasi hinahanap ko yung flybys ko, nasa kanya pala, nasa wallet niya yung flybys. Nakakaloka. Pwede pala kaming kumuha ng 2 flybys. And di ko alam, parang, you mentioned we can get 2 flybys card? Yeah? Same account? Or, oh, perfect. We should do that. I'll look into it. I'll get back to you on that. I'll give you an update. Ah, babe, that movie is really good. I think you will like it. You don't know the movie. The movie. It's a Tagalog movie, but it's more on English. I mean, they talk English. It's good, babe. Dora. Ano yun, guys? Yung si Eugene Domingo, ata yung pangalan niya. Ang ganda nun. I'll look into it. I'll get back to you on that. I'll give you an update. Parang ganun. Yeah. Ganda ng movie na yun. Kaya lang, hindi na ako nakakanood ng Tagalog movie sa laptop ko kasi tinry ko once, GGB. Gusto ko panoorin yung GGB. Guys, nagka-virus. Nakakaloka. Sabi ko, ayoko na. Nagka-virus siya. Yung mga ganung website. Ayoko mag-TFC kasi hindi naman ako nanonood araw-araw. Yung TFC, I think, is $15, $30 a month. I'm not sure. Sikat merong TFC eh. Ayoko mag-TFC kasi hindi naman, yung pinapanood ko, like what? GGV once a week? Yun lang? Pero hindi na ako nakapanood. Ilang buwan na. Last time napanood ko, na nasa Pilipinas pa ako, December. Kaloka. Please let me know kung meron kayong mga website na alam na walang bayad, walang virus, na pwede ko panoodan ng GGV. Parang wala na atang ganun doon, no? Parang wala nang free ngayon. Anyway, yan ko lang yung buhok ko. And then, I'm ready to leave. Are you ready, babe? So, done. Matagal na naman natulog kagabi. You slept really late. What time? No, what time did you sleep?
About 1:30, 1 o'clock.
Hala, babe! It's almost... Ganda ng weather today. See, hindi siya mainit. Medyo windy ng konti. Nice.
Alright.
It's gonna rain! Sabi ni Dan, it's gonna rain! Suot ko yung blazer, o, diba? Para kung may meeting somewhere. Charot! May ganon! Charot, babe! Charot! 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 Si Dan wala sa mood. Tagal kasi natulog kagabi. Next time, you should sleep early, babe. So you have all the energy when you wake up in the morning. I'm pretty fine in the morning.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah, you are.
I'm good. So Dan is getting a big car next time. Are you?
Yep.
He's just getting a big car. He wants a big car now. It's actually better. Well, I really like your small car. Small car. He just misses big car. Meron siyang... You had Honda CR-V, babe?
Yeah.
Before the Toyota 86. Na-miss niya yun when he started driving this. So it's like, I'm gonna get a big car next. Good on you, mate. Your belly, babe. Babe, your belly. We are home. I felt really bad kanina kasi yung dinala ko na baon, yung para kay Dan sana. Tapos yung nabigay ko sa kanya is yung para sa akin. Kasi kagabi, nung pagkatapos ko niluto yung nilaga, tapos na kami mag-dinner, prepare ko siya. And mas marami yung meat sa kay Dan. So, nandito yung mas maraming meat. And ito yung nadala ko. Ito yung nilagay ko sa bag ko. Napansin ko kanina, hindi masyado marami yung rice. Kaya pala, mali pala. Kasi kay Dan, konting rice lang, tapos maraming ulam. Yung sa akin, tama lang ang ulam, tapos maraming rice. Yeah, so tinext ko siya. Sabi ko, babe, I got the wrong one. He's like, it's fine. He didn't even notice. Kasi hindi niya naman alam. Ako naman yung nag-prepare. Magluluto sana ako ng spaghetti today, Filipino style. Kaya lang si Dan sabi niya, ayaw niya mag-spag. So maybe we'll just have bacon and eggs today. Sabi niya, I feel like bacon and eggs. So we will do that. Oh, you guys, I have been bringing this to work. Yung binigay sa akin ni Catherine. Thank you so much. It's good. Yung pang snacks, masarap siya. Nilalagay ko siya sa maliit na containers. Dinadala ko siya sa tabang. Masarap siya. Okay. It's time to do the dishes. Guys! Pwede ko na ma-claim yung aking 100,000 subscribers Silver Creator Award. Akala ko, i-request namin siya, something like that. So, sinearch namin siya, and then sabi, i-inform daw nila ako, like, it should show up on my channel, and it is showing up right now. I will show you. Inaayos ko lang yung video ko na magiging up tonight, and nakita ko to. OMG, you reach 100,000 subscribers. It's time to claim your Silver Creator Award. Claim it. Sorry? Oh, the egg. No, don't flip it.
What do you do?
Nagluluto sa ng egg. No, it's not gonna burn. It's too high. Now, just cover it. Luto sila ng egg para sa akin. Thank you, bye. What are you drinking? Smoothie? Milkshake? With ice cream?
With bananas.
Both. You put ice cream in there. Milk and bananas. Your face, liar. Liar. Mauubos na lang yung ice cream na yan. Di pa ako nakakain. Kasi ubusin na Dan. Anyway, yun. I can claim it. How good is that? How good is that? Magluluto din siya ng bacon. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako today. I'm practicing my... Sorry?
I'm making another egg.
For me? Why?
That was like good.
What do you mean how good?
It's cooked too much. I just flipped it. It wasn't cooking. Yeah.
What do you mean cook too much?
Spread at the bottom.
That's alright.
I already flipped it.
Why did you flip it?
I'll make another one.
You wasted that egg. I will eat it as long as the egg yolk is runny. Thank you. Sabi ko, wag i-flip. Flinip. Ay, naku, iwan ko sa'yo, babe. So, anyway, pagod na pagod ako today. I'm practicing yung driver's permit na, exam. And nakakaano siya. Sakit sa ulo. Tagal ko na din hindi nakapractice eh. Anyway, i-claim ko lang to guys. And I think it will take like almost a month for it to arrive. Something like that.